Regulators rejected a proposal today from Versant Power that would allow the utility company to notify law enforcement of homes with high energy usage. Law enforcement officials say a spike in electricity usage is a hallmark of a sophisticated marijuana grow that's sometimes hidden inside a rural home all over the state. Maine Public Utilities Commission unanimously rejected Versant's proposal. The Commission chair said customers may have other legitimate reasons for high usage, and using such broad criteria would likely result in the invasion of privacy of many innocent customers. A lawyer for Versant Power says the utility has been cooperating when it receives subpoenas from law enforcement.